What's up, guys? We're here at CES 2024 and we're hanging out with Samsung. Behind me are all their new gaming monitors for 2024. So let's go ahead and take a look. Our CES 2023 coverage is brought to you by Yiyan. Yiyan offers pre-built PCs to fully customized rigs, high-performance gaming monitors, top-of-the-line gaming chairs, all-in-one liquid cooling solutions, and so much more. Be sure to visit yiyangaming.com to see what all they have to offer and customize your gaming PC today. And we have here the Odyssey OLED G95 SD. This is a 49-inch curved ultra-wide gaming monitor with OLED glare-free technology. Ryan is giving it a little go here with some Fortnite, as you can see. Now this is going to give you a 240 hertz refresh rate, as well as a maximum resolution of 5120 by 1440. You can see that curve there as well, but an awesome new monitor here for 2024. Now onto the new OLEDs. This is the new G8 32-inch monitor. This is going to give you a max resolution of 4K and a max refresh rate of 240 hertz. Of course, Ryan is trying that one out as well. And the cool thing about these, one, they don't have a curve, but on top of that, look how thin that is. These are incredibly thin. Of course, you're going to get their new OLED technology, their anti-glare OLED technology, so you won't get that glare, which is really, really nice. Now, we're going to move over from the G832 over to the G627, so a smaller version here. Again, super, super thin, as you can see right there. The G6 is a quad HD display. Now this is going to be their fastest display at 360 hertz. You're still going to get that anti-glare OLED technology, which just looks amazing. On to our next gaming monitor. This is the new Odyssey Neo. This is the big boy. So this is a 57-inch dual UHD monitor. It's the world's first dual UHD monitor. That means it's going to have a maximum resolution of 7680 by 2160. You can see they have a racing demo set up here, which is completely immersive because you have this awesome curve. So this is going to give you a 1000 R curve, as you can see, which is great. Now, as far as refresh rate, this is going to give you a 240 and a 1 ms response time here. Of course, this makes use of mini LED technology as well, but an awesome immersive gaming monitor and a big boy at 57 inches. Now on to the Odyssey Arc. Of course, we know this gaming monitor from the original version. This is Gen 2, and it basically is going to have the same specs as Gen 1 when it comes to the panel. So this is a 55-inch display, 165 hertz refresh rate, UHD resolution, so 3840 by 2160, that crazy 1000 R curve, and of course you can put it in this awesome portrait mode, which just looks great. Now the big change with Gen 2 here is that you're going to be able to do 4 separate inputs on this. So if you want to put some crazy things up here on the screen, you can go ahead and do that.